Greetings, friends. Good morning to all of you. So, friends, I have huge news today. A big raise has just been approved, and millions of Americans will see an increase to their monthly benefits very soon. Several lawmakers have just made important changes to benefit payments this year. Friends, this is your daily news report and Ford stimulus check update. Please, friends, make sure you watch until the end of this video if you receive monthly benefits. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. To enter these giveaways, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway. In a video later today, I will be announcing a winner, so please stay tuned for that video.
Well, inflation remains the number one issue for the American people, and I guess it shouldn't come as any surprise since it's at a 40-year high. And everything that the American people purchase today is going up, and up, starting with gasoline, food, grocery store. You can go right down the list. Inflation is crushing the American people. And as the leader pointed out, a lot of this got started when the Democrats decided to pass a partisan, party line only, $2 trillion spending bill last year, which flooded the zone with lots of dollars and created a situation where, as the textbook defines inflation, too many dollars chasing too few goods. And so we've got rampant runaway inflation. The American people are paying the price. And what is the Democrat prescription? To double down, to spend more, and to tax more. At the very time when the American people are facing the possibility not only of perhaps even higher inflation numbers come out tomorrow, but 8.5%, as I said, is already the highest in 40 years, but also the possibility of a recession. We actually could be at a time when the economy...
More than 41 million Americans have to rely upon the SNAP program to just get enough to eat. The program enables eligible individuals and families to purchase staples such as fruits, vegetables, meat, and dairy. According to the Center on Budget and Policy Priorities, SNAP benefits play a key role in helping to reduce both hunger and food insecurity. Research shows that almost 90% of families on SNAP live in households with children, elderly adults, and or disabled adults. Children under 18 years old make up almost half of those on SNAP, at 43%, and about 90% of those on SNAP live at or below the poverty line. There is also a significant portion of workers who are employed but are making wages too low to afford their food needs. To accommodate economic impacts, including the crisis, inflation, and other financial hardships, SNAP benefits increased between 2021 and 2022. The Texas Health and Human Services Commission has announced that the state will be providing more than $300 million in emergency supplemental nutrition assistance program food benefits for the month of August. Texas Governor Greg Abbott announced the extension in a press release. The benefits are expected to help more than 1.5 million Texas households. Governor Abbott told reporters it is imperative that every family across our state has access to nutritious food. Through the extension of emergency SNAP benefits, we are ensuring Texans have the resources they need to stay healthy. With the approval of the United States Department of Agriculture, the state extended the maximum allowable amount of SNAP benefits to recipients based on family size and all SNAP households to a minimum of $95 in emergency allotments. This additional emergency allotment should appear in recipients' accounts by August 31st. The emergency August allotments are in addition to the more than $7.6 billion in benefits previously provided to Texans since April 2020. In addition, the USDA's Thrifty Food Plan, which was first issued in August 2021, but went into effect in 2022. Also, the USDA's Thrifty Food Plan was first issued in August 2021, but went into effect in 2022. The plan increased SNAP average benefits per person per day from approximately $1.20 to about $5.45 for 2022. Also, Congress put many additional supports in place in the early days of the crisis, some of which have expired. However, one known as emergency allotments, which were approved as part of the Family's First Crisis Response Act, can be reinstated at each state's individual discretion until October 13, 2022. But in order to extend these benefits, there must be a national public health emergency, and the state must have a state-level emergency declaration in place. Friends, the keyword for this video is British Columbia. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is British Columbia, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. And friends, the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway. New York households enrolled in the SNAP program can also expect to receive the maximum allowable level of food benefits through October. New York State secured federal funding to continue issuing the maximum allotment to SNAP recipients until the federal declaration expires. It is currently expected to extend until October 2022. SNAP benefits have been crucial for many New Yorkers' livelihoods, including approximately 14% of the state's population last year. As of May 2022, close to 1.6 million households throughout the state of New York have been enrolled in the program. About 260,000 people applied for the unemployment benefits at the end of July, keeping jobless claims near a 9-month high and signaling a softening in the U.S. labor market as the economy slows. Initial jobless claims increased by 6,000 from 254,000 in the prior week. New filings had also fallen to as low as 166,000 in late March, which is the second fewest on record, before moving higher over the past several months as the economy has slowed. The federal government is increasing the cost of borrowing to try to tame the biggest outbreak of U.S. inflation in almost 41 years. Higher rates typically discourage consumers and businesses from spending and investing. So friends, what are your thoughts on the current state of our economy? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, my amazing and beautiful friends, thank you so much for joining me here today. I truly and greatly appreciate all of you who are watching and are listening to my videos. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed day.